Alright guys, today we're going to change the fuel filter on a Mazda Miata 1989 through 1998. All the tools you will need are right here. Any sort of pliers, 10mm wrench, some picks to get the hose off easier, and a screwdriver. And gloves if you want. Alright, first you have to take off the plastic cover covering the fuel filter. There it is. There are 5 plastic screws. You can just take off the bottom 2 screws right here and move the cover down to not have to take off the whole thing if you're being lazy. Once the fuel filter is exposed, you take it off the bracket with the 10mm bolt. You can use a ratchet with an extension to reach the top bolts. Right there. Fuel will leak, so keep a bucket handy. Where's the bucket?
And your tools away.
Our mechanic here is having problems. If it wasn't a running car, we could just cut the lines, but we can't do that. You can leave the hose on top of the other, on the outlet of the fuel filter, and it'll stop leaking. You see that? Right there? See that? Perfect. You know how it goes, guys? Oh, there we go! Yay! Alright guys, you put the bracket back on and you're done. Almost.
Your pony, where's my pony?
Move those back in, cover the hose right there. Clamp it on the outlets. Alright, and now all you gotta do is put the plastic cover back on and you can start your car. If you guys are located in the valley, San Fernando Valley in California.
Why are you talking like that?
I'm a Texan. If you guys are located over here and need some work done to your Miata, hit us up. We'll do it for cheap. Email, Instagram, Facebook, it's all on my YouTube channel below. Subscribe, comment, share, like, all that good stuff.
Stabilizers, good lighting.
Filming pad is also good for mechanic knee pad. After you finish installing it, you can go and start your car. It won't start right away because of the fuel getting into everything. But yeah, here we go. Alright, so just do that. Prime the pump maybe once or twice. Take the key in, put it back in, turn it on. Fuel pump primes. Should work. Alright. That might happen again, you know, just how it goes. There we go. Fuel filter installed. Running nice and smooth. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so subscribe, like, comment, share. We have a bunch of Miatas and we do a lot of work, so you'll be seeing more from us. Here's a look at my Miata and my friends. Race car only. Here's my friends. Here's the one I rolled. This is where the fuel filter came from. All right, peace.